welded my new hook on there. Cooling area is going to be here, and then I'm going to take this top layer off here. Okay, way back here. Start here, a drop, and then it's going to go this way, drop. So I think it's kind of making sense, coming together. All right, we have the underlayment here down. We've got the rubber liner down on top of that. Hopefully I got enough here for the reservoir. We'll find out. Growing right next to the creek right there, there's a bunch of moss. So this stuff's really handy. You can just peel it off and then stick it down on top of dirt over there. The plan is to go off this big rock right here and then snake through over those 3 rocks there. Well, I'm sure I'll have to make some adjustments. I'm not going to hit it perfect right off the bat, especially with so many different levels and waterfalls. All right, test number 1. So I gotta dig all this down, probably a good 3 inches, and set this down in there better. I think I'm running into a problem with the way I set this up. Is I saw some guy, when they put a heavy rock down, they'd put another layer, just a little patch of the liner down first to give it more cushion. But now I've got water going underneath that layer. Where am I at? Second trial. Here's what I need to do. Okay, I'm getting too much leakage through this wall here, so I'm gonna have to redo that. My goal was to come off of here. The creek part, I think I can get it working without any major work to it yet. I still just have to work on sealing and creating pockets so that the water can get up over and go down the falls. So I'm going to put the reservoir in. Ow! Underneath there, and then I stand up and this thing just doesn't move. Some holes to get water into it. I think I'm going to use this to capture the water as it comes off the wall. This is my new technique. It's the golfing technique. Looks what I'll be doing. Looks like what I would. Kind of wondering what I was going to do with that piece. So now this one's going to be for water. And in a previous episode, I made that there. That's for fire. Okay, I figured it out. This is my trough. This is going to catch the water coming off the wall. The wall will be back here. So I'm going to put legs on this that are going to make it look like this. I have a bearing there and a bearing on the other side on a tripod shaped legs. I like it. I'm gonna finish up those welds, and then I gotta get some shorter bolts for the bearing. It's easier to carry if we got this edge here, so we're gonna flip this over. We're gonna grab the other end, and we're gonna lift it up, and then we're gonna go way over there. It's supposed to be flexible, but it is not flexible. The only way it's flexible is if you heat it up with a heat gun and then get it in the shape that you want and then let it cool in that spot like this. That was like almost a 90-degree arc. Well, to get it warm enough, she goes on nice. So those rocks are going to cover up the reservoir. Getting pretty close to a test. We're gonna get a rubber connector for back here.
Put it together.
3, 2, 1. Okay, I think I got my water bridge that's gonna get the water over the wall figured out, so this is what I'm doing. All right, my water bridge, I guess that's what I'm calling it, that's coming over here. I'm working on that. But I got the gussets for the water bridge supports done, so this is my sketch that I was shooting for. This is what I ended up with. They look kind of neat. Somewhere in there, that'll be holding up the metal water bridge. Let's give this a good test. So I'm going to call it done for the season. I got some landscaping to do, planning, adjusting here and there, but it's already just about November. Surprised it's this warm out. So on to the next project. I like it. I think it turned out pretty good.